Good, good. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the reason why I pulled you over because we got a call in about you and your driving patterns, how you drove over a couple of curves, especially when you was going into the Publix parking lot. And as I observed you driving, you had a hard time maintaining a single lane. And at one point, we was at 200 and Black Rock, there was a black car that was behind you. Luckily enough, they were traveling a safe enough distance, but you went into their lane and then went back into the center lane. And you didn't put any blinkers on or anything like that.
I don't recall that.
Okay. Are you okay? Do you have any medical issues or anything like that going on right now?
I just stopped to get my medicine.
Okay. Okay.
We were stopping to go get my husband.
I'm sorry, say it again?
We were stopping to go get my husband.
You're stopping to get your husband. Is anybody else with you?
My grandchildren.
Your grandchildren? You mind roll down the back this window right here? Hey, how you doing? Have you taken your medicine earlier today? No, you haven't? Okay. Alright. So you don't have any medical issues or anything like that? No? Okay. Alright. Well,
I did take in the guy that was behind me.
say it again.
The guy that was behind me was shoving up on top of me.
Shoving up?
Shoving up on top of me.
You mean like falling too close behind you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just didn't see anything.
Okay. Do you notice that you're kind of going in and out your lanes?
No.
You don't notice that? Okay. So it's not bad, but I mean it's enough to where other cars in the other lanes will have to hit their brakes because you're going into other lanes of traffic as you're going back over. So like I say, it's not bad, but it's enough to where it'll cause for concern, especially if you're running over curves and stuff like that. With that being said, do I need to call rescue or anything like that for you? Okay. Okay, so you good?
Yeah. Just not having a problem.
Okay. All right. All right.
Those look like?
They're small, but she doesn't have any sunglasses. She has nice little eyes too as well.
Okay.
So she doesn't have any shades on, so naturally because of the sun. But I'm not getting anything off the breath or anything like that. I'm not.
She acting pretty normal.
Yeah, I mean she's elderly. She's just talking to me very faint, very low. But I mean other than that, I'm not getting any indicators that she may be impaired or anything like that.
Okay.
I mean, you may want to talk to her just to double check. I'm not getting anything, honestly. I think she's not being cognizant and aware.
Okay, I'll talk to her. I'm gonna go on this side. I just don't get hit by a car. Hello, ma'am. Hello. How are you? You feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay. We were just wondering, just because of the way you were driving, just wanted to make sure that you were good. Is there any particular reason, why you had crossed over those lanes?
The man that was doing that was swerving and doing all that stuff, and I don't know what he was doing, but he was doing that, and then what do you call them?
Motor 2, Motor 1, is this the roundabout?
I can't.
Are you feeling okay today?
I'm feeling alright. It's just that I can't take and making just worry about words.
Okay.
So I saw
I'm not trying to be funny. Do you suffer from any kind of medical conditions or anything?
not that, but the band that I saw yesterday took and saw that he
Okay. Have you taken any medications today?
No.
Nothing at all? 'Cause I know you said you just went and got a prescription, right?
Yeah, but it's not.
And that's it right there?
This is something that
Hey, is there anyone that could come and drive for you? That you could call somebody to come and get them to drive? Well, we had.
the man took him.
Well, it's not just that man. We got that call, and then
came out and got the.
Right, and then the deputy here was following behind you and saw you leave your lane of travel and get into another lane. You may not have even realized it. Right? Is there someone that you could call to drive for you? No one else? No one at all? I'm concerned about you getting into an accident, that's why I say that. I'm concerned for your safety. Have you, I was going to ask you, have you consumed anything at all today?
Oh my God, no.
Any alcoholic beverages, any narcotics, any drugs at all? Nothing at all?
I do not do alcohol.
Okay.
And I just plain out do not do it.
Okay. All right. I'll come out and say I don't feel comfortable you driving. Is there anyone at all you could get to drive?
There's no one.
There's no one. How far away do you live?
I live in no, I don't, son. I live in I live in Yulee. I have to pick up my husband. This is my conversation, and you really need to stay out of it.
Here, I tell you what, so that way we're not having them back there. This deputy here is going to stay here with your kids. He's going to stay right there.
Can you just follow me?
No, ma'am. I'm going to have you hop out. We're going to talk back there, okay? I'm just going to have you go ahead and hop out. We're just going to talk back there so that way they're not kind of talking back to us, okay? Ma'am. Okay. Well, come on. Ma'am, I'm not going to sit here and play games with you. You need to come out of the car.
And these are my grandchildren, and you are not going to play games with them.
I really can't hear you.
I said, you are not going to play games with them.
Right? I'm not playing games with them. You and I are talking. So Miguel, get you hop out of the car. Okay? You can leave your purse there. I need you to get out of the car, ma'am. I need you to get out of the car. Ma'am, leave that there. I need you to get out of the car. Ma'am, get out of the car.
My husband is at...
Ma'am, I don't care who your husband is. I need you to get out of the car.
and needs to make Judge aware that I
We can discuss it.
Ma'am, I need you to get out of the car.
I bet your mama's so proud of you. Children, get in the back. I'm getting out. They are getting in the back.
Escalated anyone that needs to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
In the back. In the back.
Here, we're going to walk on that side of the vehicle so that way we're not in traffic.
Touching me and being more than nothing.
Okay, well, I wasn't planning on touching you, so we're going to walk on that side of the traffic so that way we're not being hit by cars.
I do not want this man involved with me at all.
Ma'am, that's not your decision to make right now. We're walking over this way now. If you don't like me, then it is what it is, but we got to walk over there.
It is, 'cause you're an ass.
Alright. I just wanted to hop out of the car so that way you and I can speak, okay? Do you have anything on you at all? I don't see any pockets, so I just want to ask.
No.
Nothing at all. Okay. Can you tell me what you are doing today?
I was getting my medicine.
Okay. I am going to go ahead and make you aware that I am starting a DUI investigation, okay?
What?
A DUI investigation.
Good on you.
I'm going to read this to you. It doesn't mean you're in trouble right now. I just have to read this to you before I ask you any questions, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law.
DUI, right?
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and to have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide, or you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
Whatever.
Do you understand?
Whatever.
It's a yes or no.
It's a whatever.
So do you understand what I just told you?
It's a whatever.
Do you understand? Okay, with those rights in mind, do you want to speak with me?
No, I don't.
You don't want to talk at all?
No.
Okay. Would you be willing to participate in field sobriety exercises?
Field sobriety?
Yes.
Field sobriety. No.
Okay, I do want you to bear in mind if you refuse to answer questions and you refuse field sobriety exercises, I have to make my decision to whether or not to place you under arrest solely off my observations.
Whatever.
With that in mind, do you still not want to participate in field sobriety exercises?
Whatever.
Do you understand?
Whatever.
Okay. Well, if you're deciding that, then I am making the decision to place you under arrest for DUI. I'm going to put you in the backseat of my car now, okay?
This piece of shit
We're coming over here.
goes somewhere.
Ma'am, we're coming over here. You're going to have to get your other leg further in there.
I am working on it.
Okay. I need you to work on it. Alright, I'm going to put these up front so they're not super uncomfortable, alright?
Whatever.
Okay, give me your hands. Need your other hand as well. Alright. Alright, watch your leg. I'm about to close this door. Okay, how many times did she go off the road?
I'd probably say at least about 3 to 4 times.
And like, was she like going in the grass or like over the white line, like striped line?
She was in like the center line, but she kept like right into the strap line and then get back.
And then whenever you got here, you said that she pulled off into the grass?
Yeah, she went like through the grass and then like stopped like right here.
Okay.